Hi, my name is Zach Cronin, and I'm a graduate of the photography course in St. John's. So when I left school, I went to Coláiste sa Fánaíomh with the hopes of going to art college. So I did a level 5 in art, craft, and design, and I'd applied to several art colleges and just decided it wasn't really for me at the time. So once I finished that course, I just kind of went working, and then when I knew I wanted to get back into college, I started looking at different PLC courses, and I was mainly focused on photography because it's always been what I was interested in. So I thought I would give the level 5 in St. John's a go, and I ended up really enjoying it. So I stayed for the 2 years, and I'm applying to college now again to go back and study photography. Currently applying for third level colleges, so I've applied to Glasgow and Edinburgh, and I've also applied to Dún Laoghaire and Limerick to gain advanced entry into either second or third year. Overall, I would describe the experience as incredibly enriching. In the course, you're exposed to lots of different styles of photography and different movements and techniques. Over the course of the 2 years, you really get to grip with your own practice and your development as a photographer. The facilities the college have on offer are also amazing. The dark room, you get to learn how to develop your own film, how to print images. Along with the dark room, you get to use the digital suite. So they have a full Mac digital suite where you can print your own work, and also use the studio with lots of different studio equipment and lighting setups. And the people you meet in the course as well are very like-minded, so you get to bounce back a lot of ideas. And I felt my work really benefited from being critiqued and discussed with my lecturers and my classmates. Yeah, I definitely found the course challenged me in many good ways. It's really pushed me to think of what I was going to create and why I was choosing certain images. I was never happy with my first round. It was always going in, getting critiques, and then going back out shooting, thinking, how can I improve on what I have already made? And especially with the classmates as well, we were always kind of pushing each other to think, how can you push this idea further? How can you elaborate on it? How can you improve it? So I found the environment really beneficial and challenging, but in a really good way. Yeah, definitely meeting a lot of different people that I wouldn't have normally met and getting to know them. I'm still really great friends with people I've met on the course. And it taught me the course is really self-driven and independent. You really have to push yourself to do the work. The teachers can't go out and take the images for you. So you really have to go and find your subjects, find the theme that interests you, and then use your own initiative to go out and tackle it and figure out, how can I do this? Who do I have to meet? What kind of subjects I can find. So you really are pushed to do your own driven work, even in the studio. It's a lot of self-driven work. So it really gives you a good work ethic and good initiative to go out and create images. Personally, I found my interpersonal skills really benefited from this course. A lot of the projects you have to go out and find your own subject, so you have to really get comfortable with meeting people, getting to know them, getting comfortable with them, because I feel like that's a big component of photography. You have to be able to chat to people, make them comfortable for you to shoot them, and there was a lot of that in the course. You just had to kind of go out and really just bite the bullet, get over all your fears, and just tackle it. So I felt like it pushed me out of my comfort zone a lot in a good way. Yeah.